The mixture of biogas in the fermenters is composed principally of methane. An excellent fuel, methane is one of the main energy sources for human activity. It is used both in the production of electric and heat energy, and as a fuel of vehicular transportation. It can have fossil origin, such as which arrives through the Siberian, African, or Northern European pipelines. Or it can originate from the processing of animal waste, like our biomethane. No need to drill in hidden fields in the most remote regions of the world. Our biomethane is obtained through the fermentation of bovine manure that comes from our own farmers in Wipptal. This process takes place in a perfect circular economy done in this way. The biogas in the fermenter is composed of methane, carbon dioxide, and small quantities of other compounds, impurities that are removed. To treat and refine the biogas, we chose the most advanced and most reliable technology developed and made by Tecno Project Industriale, a leader in the production of gas purification plants. The process begins in a watchtower where ammonia and residual water are removed. Then, activated carbon filters remove the hydrogen sulfide and the volatile organic compounds. Finally, it's the carbon dioxide that must be separated from methane. It is the upgrading process. A system of polymeric membranes with high refinement selectivity separates the two principal compounds. The high-pressure system involves a three-stage process patented by Evonik. In the first stage, a methane-rich gas is obtained and sent at a second stage for further purification. The other part of the gas, rich in CO2, proceeds to the third stage to be concentrated and sent to the liquid CO2 production plant. At this point, the percentage of biomethane has increased to more than 97%. But this is not enough. To be liquefied, the biomethane needs further purification to remove the last traces of CO2. Liquefaction occurs by compressing and cooling the biomethane until it reaches a temperature of minus 150 degrees Celsius. At the end of this process, the liquefied biomethane is expanded and stored in appropriate tanks ready for distribution. The plants developed and industrialized by Tecno Project Industriale allow for high levels of purity and a recuperation efficiency above 99%. Thus guaranteeing that biomethane can be distributed. Liquefying methane means reducing its volume more than 600 times, enormous savings in space for transportation and for storage. Next to the plant, behind highway interchanges, we built a service station for heavy trucks that run on natural gas. The station has two pumps of bio-LNG, liquefied biomethane, at the highest power density, which is able to guarantee up to 1,600 kilometers of autonomy for each heavy transport vehicle at a full tank. For internal combustion engines, biomethane is the most eco-compatible fuel. Compared to traditional fuels, it allows for an abatement of 95% of fine particles and 90% of nitrogen dioxide, reducing the CO2 emissions by up to 95%. Transportation and logistics companies such as Fercam and Transbosen, now our partners, look to a green future for heavy goods transport by investing in sustainability for zero-impact transportation. Bio-LNG powered vehicles meet the current and future standards regarding exhaust emissions. They can access limited traffic zones without a problem, and thanks to their low noise level, these vehicles can also make nighttime deliveries. They consume less fuel and with higher cost efficiency compared to diesel-run vehicles. The advantages of biomethane: renewable and programmable resource, helps develop local economy, environmentally sustainable, perfect example of circular economy. reduces greenhouse gases, maximum flexibility,